Happy Sabbath everyone. It's January 25, 2025 and it's a beautiful sunny Saturday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin at mga blessings na darating kasama ang mga pagsubok, mga trials and challenges which makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, and exciting. At syempre, pasalamatan natin yung presence ng mga marites sa paligid natin at syempre naman yung doon sa mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials. Ayun. Shout out doon kina Glenda, Glenn Snow and Pucci, Margie Crane, Cecil Boris, Mama Lou, Luis and Susan, Joel and Hani, Pistolante and family. Kina Jima David, Nimpa Pagsibigan, Angie Sarmiento, May Gumayan, Elizabeth Ibarra, Mabel Andres, Inday Araso, Ailima Agla, Eds Macalina, Winnie Santiago, at kay Glydion. Siyempre sa lahat ng members ng The Order of the Nine Eights. Ripples of the day natin po is life never runs out of challenges and trials that rain upon us every day. But we always have the choice to be thankful, learn life's lessons, and enjoy the moment and be happy. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed, happy Sabbath, everyone.